Good evening, viewer. Welcome to our FTB English version as a breaking news. A research term led by Professor Ming Wang from the Institute of Vertebrate Paleontology and Paleoanthropology at the Chinese Academy of Sciences discovered two bird fossils in Jurassic era rocks in Fujian province, Southeast China. Dating back approximately 149 million years, these fossils help bridge a spatio-temporal gap in the early evolution of birds. They also provide the strongest evidence to date that birds had already diversified by the end of the Jurassic period. This study was published in Nature. Birds are the most diverse group of terrestrial vertebrates. Certain macroevolutionary studies suggest that their earliest diversification dates back to the Jurassic period, approximately 145 million years ago. However, the earliest evolutionary history of birds has long been obscured by a highly fragmentary fossil record, with Acroepopteryx being the only widely accepted Jurassic bird. Although Archaeopteryx had feathered wings, it closely resembled the non-avian dinosaurs, notably due to its distinctive long reptilian tail, a stark contrast to the short tail morphology of modern and Cretaceous birds. Recent studies have questioned the Avilan study of Acroepipteryx, classifying it as a Deno-Ecosauropod dinosaur, the sisters group of birds, and this raises the questions of whether any ambiguous records of Jurassic birds exist or not. In this study, the researchers named one of the two fossil Baminonoris. This fossil displays a unique combinations of features including derived ornithorhynchine like shoulder and pelvic girdles, as well as a pelismorphic hand structures resembling that of non-avian dinosaurs. These characteristics highlights the role of mosaic evolution in early bird development. Notably, Baminonoris and Zenggenesis has a short tail ending in a compound ball called the pygostyle, a feature also observed in living birds too. Beyond this exclusive report, FTB English, Delhi, Bharat.